Welcome back to Beardchanics garage. Today we finally discover what's in Cheryl mystery box. And yes, this box have made it all the way from Australia on the guys at Mighty Car Mod. And yeah, let's just finger our way out, or we should say our way in Cheryl's box and see what's in there. In theory, that was special offer where all the box, the big one, this is a big one. Of course we had to get a big Cheryl's box. Supposed to have some tools in there as well. I reckon if there is, there not much, because this way nothing. Anyway, let's get our finger in there, open it up and see what's in there. As you can see, we've got a cap, Cheryl Speed Garage, like classical one, nice and thick, for tiny little heads. If I remember well, special limited edition hat, which is a good thing because frankly I won't be wearing it. It feels horrible on my head. Let's put back my woolly hat. If you watch us before, you know I like to have my head covered most of the time. Alright, looking for next T-shirt. Purity. That's lovely. Nice quality as well. Very nice quality. Can put that here, I guess. Let's not disrespect the hat too much. What else do we have in there? DDM style cloth tape for the patch up work. Well, I guess it is technically a tool for your car. 13-in-1 multi-tool. You know, it's one of those things you probably already have 10 like that you never use. But I don't actually have a claw like that, so it'll be useful. And this is, you know, value you can trust, SCA, so you know, it's going to be decent. Ah, that's more like it. Yes. Now, this is more my cup of tea. Hopefully it's not a scratchy one, because sometimes you've got some that scratch your head so much. Here you go! You've chopped, mate! Ah, that's lovely. Very nice. Ooh! Mighty Car Mod microfiber cloth. I might have to start washing my car now. What have we got here? Ah, little card holder thingy. Quite practical actually. You're going to events, put your event stuff in there. Chill out. Alright, still have a little bit in there. Mighty Car Mod zip ties. That is cool. What do we have here? Is that a little pin or is it? Oh no, they are little finger emblems, but they're actually stickers. Really nice. You know, done like if you were on a stock car and you had your little stuff there. That's cool. What else do you have in here? Oh, little sweets. Can't say they are generous on the sweets. You may need a lot more than 3 sweets, but I don't know if you can see. On all the sweets, you've got MCM on there as well. I might crack those open now, actually. See what they're like. They're nut free. Surprising that somebody coming from the guy at Mighty Car Mode is nut free. Minty, you know what? Based on the look, I thought it was going to be, sorry, the dark stuff. But actually it's just a mint sweet. Ooh. Some little badge. Very nice. I love mods. Another I love mods one with couple of piston. And obviously you got chopped. Sure, I'll make use of those. And obviously a chopped sticker, which we'll have to put somewhere too. That is my young sticker, look at that. The guys on the goat. Excellent. Oh, nice. For your clothes, little emblem. Another sticker, unicorn. Unicorn Circus. That channel nobody watch. Mind you, that channel everybody watch and nobody watch the other one. Ah, I was hoping for one. In the bin! Here we have a keyring, the chopped fingers. Oh, car air freshener, unicorn. Very cool. Chopped finger air freshener. 2 air freshener, you know. They must think our car stinks. They're probably right. Ooh, oh, I like that one better. Nice and black. Another keyring, very nice. Proper chop sticker. What do we have here? Oh, mightycarmods.com stickers. I'll be honest, I might not use that one. Alright, and then that's it. Just blah blah. Oh. There is a recipe in there. Coconut slice. That's nice, nice touch. Basically send a little recipe. You know those guys love their food as well and love their good food. Such a nice touch. Very cool. And then just a little card. Thank you for exploring my mysterious box of MCM goodness. Inside you'll find a treasure trove of MCM loot, plus a special gift that I've included just for you. From Cheryl, with a little kiss. Huh? Very nice. And that is it, guys. Not bad. It took nearly 3 weeks to arrive. I obviously ordered it. Here they were doing a promotion for this, so I think all of this in pounds is about 68 quid, I think, or $68. I'll just put the their webpage and you can check it out. Yeah, but no, very nice. And I'm definitely going to use all of that as well. Apart, like I said, the hat is not really my style, on, you know, just the website address. You know, I'm not going to put a big chopped sticker on. Some of the other ones are very cool indeed. Very cool indeed. Especially love this. That's this gorgeous Purity t-shirt's lovely as well. And the hat. The badges are quite cool as well. But yeah, to be honest, you know, it's like, you know, if you have no MCM merch, just order a box and then you can dress like a proper MCM fanboy. I'm not saying that's what I want to do, but you've got to admit they are effing brilliant. You know, they are one of those channels, they got big, but they're still not boring, you know, and that's what I love about them. Just, yeah. Anyway, I'm going to sound like a fanboy now, aren't I? But yeah, that's pretty much it for this one, guys. You know, I just thought MCM guys are so big and so well known around the world, and you know, mystery box, what could be in, you know, and who doesn't want to put their fingers into Cheryl's box. But yeah, that is it. A bit different, it's not unboxing a car part or anything like that, but yeah, now you know that's what's in the big Cheryl's box. That's what you find. You're not going to get, you don't get the same stuff all the time, huh? You know, so it's a bit random. This is what I've got from in my box. If you do another box, I'm sure some of the stickers and stuff are still the same, the little bits and bob, but the t-shirt can change, the hat can change, and if you do order it, make sure to select your t-shirt size, because by default XS, extra small, is selected. So, you know, it'll be a bit annoying unless you're actually XS size to order a box, you know, wait all that time, it comes all those miles, and then you end up with a t-shirt like, hey guys. But anyway guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, you know, please do, you know, you need it badly. And if you like the video, give us a like. If you didn't like the video, give us a dislike. It happens, and to be honest, we don't care. So, you know, you do you, and we'll do us, and, you know, we can all do each other. Yeah, maybe that's not where I wanted to end up with. Anyway guys, see you next time, I'm off.